Hey guys, this is Rick with a Halloween trick. I know we go out and we get props every year to go in our yard. As you can see in my yard, I've got stuff out already. It's almost the 1st of October. I'm excited for Halloween. Something that I've learned to do in the last couple of weeks is not only put props out in my yard, but to bring them to life using my phone and an augmented reality app that I'm going to share with you. Okay, if you will follow me, I'm going to turn my phone on real quick so you can see how it works. Can you see the phone? Okay, now we will go up to this tombstone. You see it's just regular tombstone, just a regular tombstone, but when you hold my phone up to it, watch what happens. All of a sudden Beetlejuice is dancing across the top of this tombstone. Now if you look away, it goes away, but whenever you go back, boom, there he is all over again. Guys, follow me. I'm going to take you over to our haunted tree. Again, we're just on this little app that I'm going to share with you. You come over here, you see our haunted tree. Our haunted tree says keep out. But whenever you come up and you hold our phone up to our haunted tree, wasn't that cool? Watch, we're going to do it again. Okay, see, and it doesn't do it anywhere else. We have turned that little sign into a haunted attraction, just like that. Okay, now follow me. We're going to go back over here to the side of the house. This is one of my favorite things to do, guys. My wife and I love Halloween. We love Christmas. Oh yeah, you can do this at Christmas too. So when you put your decorations out at Christmas, you can do this too. Watch this. I just took a window on the side of the house. Watch this.
That's the lost soul. For ghosts that have been exorcised.
Isn't that cool? And watch, guys, you follow my phone. All right, it disappears, but keep following me down to the next window. I've got a clown sitting on the window. Watch this. And just like that, you got that clown turned into Pennywise. All right, two more, guys. Two more. Come on. Come on. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. Now look, there's a little gravestone here. It cost $1 from the Dollar Tree, right? Well, watch what I've done whenever you come up to it. And guys, the kids in my neighborhood love this. I give them access to it on their phones, tell them where to get it, and boom, they're walking all around my yard playing with this all day. Come here, I got one last one to show you. Now what I've done is we had red rum up here on the side of the house, but the tapes kind of fell, but I still got it up there to where you can see how it works. And just like that, the shining's on the side of my house. Now guys, I went around my whole yard. I went inside my house and done stuff with my grandkids. We've hid Easter eggs. You can put prizes all around the yard. When the kids find them, they get, candy or whatever. Guys, I hope you really like this app, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Hello friends, and thank you for checking out the demo of our info product. This product is a one-time purchase of $35. Once you purchase, you'll be taken to a secure download where you can download your zip file. Once you download this file, you unzip it, watch your videos, and in 10 minutes you'll be bringing your Halloween props or your haunted home to life.